Okay, another 6x6 inch tile, and the same colors, and I'm just gonna do it a little bit different. I'm not sure yet. I can't talk about it. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna start with the azo gold in the middle. Okay. All right, there's the azo gold. And then I'm gonna do different colors around it to kind of make, maybe, the petals different colors. So, like, do blue, and then pink, jasmine, I mean. Cobalt turquoise. Olive vine. TLP's golden peach. I feel like this might be too light. And then I think I'm gonna do kind of like put this cobalt on top of the olive, like that. And then put this pink on top of this pink to create a little contrast. And then put this olive green on top of the turquoise. And then this turquoise on top of this pink. And this light pink on top of this blue. Experimental mode. What do we think? A little Payne's gray in the middle. With a pop of pink. This should be interesting. Alright, I'm not using white cell activator. I'm gonna use the yellow ochre and the black. So, do I put a big one in the middle and blow it all out, or do I blow them out individually? Don't know. I think I'm gonna blow out like 2 at a time. Let's see how precise I can do. Okay, we got some petals. Let's do 2 more, and then I'll do the center. 1, 2. 1, 2. Gorgeous. Petal perfect. Okay. I feel like I could put something there. Like, what color? What color? What color? I got a sunflower sitting over here. Yellow. And phthalo blue. Just like that. Aim it over. Okay, so now I'm going to work on the middle, and that's just cell activator. That's a layered bloom if I ever saw it. Okay, I definitely want to embellish these colors. This looks amazing. Oh my gosh, wow. It's so pretty. So pretty, love it. Calm down, Christine. Jeez. I'm having a ball, you guys. I know I'm super quiet, but man, there's just so much to do. So much to do. I don't love every single swirl. I just don't love that one. There, that's a little better. Okay. Wondering how much of this is going to spin off. I should go ahead and spin it and then play some more. I'm going to give this a gentle spin because I really like this. Oh, yes. Yes. My precious. Yes. Oops, out of camera, aren't I? Oh my God. Wow. Oh, I'm totally doing this technique again. I'm totally doing this again with the different spots. Oh my God. Hello. I can't even speak right now. This is my favorite of the day. I am not even playing. I have had a killer painting day, y'all. Killer. I gotta take a picture of this. Oh, gosh. It's no wonder I'm addicted. I'm so addicted. I mean, should I stop? Y'all, help me. I don't want to stop. I want to do a little bit more, but I want to be really precise about it because I'm not going to spin it out much more at all. Ooh, that looks so pretty. It reminds me of fairies and butterflies. That's cute. Okay. It's like a kaleidoscope. Oh my God, I just thought of the name. I have to look up how to spell it though. Ooh. Green whirly. This whole like little rainbow thing going on there. I don't want to mess with that. Just that, and that's it. Okay, I think I'm done. Woo wee! Dun 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 dun. Celebrate. I might have to keep this one. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to sell this one. Well, I'll try to make another one. And if I can make another one, then I'm more likely to want to sell this one. But this is a new kind of method thing going on for me. And I am going to do this again. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm so thrilled. Okay, I know you guys are sick of hearing me say it. Pat myself on the back. But, you know, when the first time you accomplish something, it's very exciting. Right? All right, let's get this baby to the drying table and I can give you guys a close-up. Okay, so there it is. Let me give you guys some close-ups here. It is a kaleidoscope of color and cells. Where's that spot I really liked? Oh yeah, here it is. Right there. So cute. Love this method. Lots of different colors. So that's a win-win. Let me see if I can get... well, when it's dry, you guys will get to see the sparkle. I may not wait like the next video or something because I'm going to want to put this video up. So you guys get to see it. Yay! Love it, y'all. That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Subscribe if you like my videos. And hit the like button. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Okay. Bye, guys. See you next time.